it's Brianna. I'm back today because I just got the Beyonce Ivy Park Adidas collab, and y'all, anybody who knows me knows that I'm a Beyonce stan. I am part of the Beehive. Beyonce. And so yes, I got an orange package. No, I didn't get an orange package, but my boyfriend, he did order me some of the items, and he's a good one, y'all. He set an alarm. He had 2 tabs open, and I don't know how, but he got me some items. And so I'm so excited today because I'm going to be unboxing them and trying them on for you, and then you'll get to hear some of my thoughts about this collection. Let's get into the video. So of course, the first item I already have on my head, it is the backless cap. Y'all, I love these colors. I just think it's so different. We never really see a color combination like this. What I think sets this cap apart is the fact that it's backless, so I could put a little ponytail. It has like a little stretchy elastic band in the back. That's what keeps it on my head. But I just think it's so cute because you don't always have to wear it with the collaboration. You can wear it with pretty much anything. On my days off, I'm always wearing like a baseball cap because sometimes you don't feel like doing your hair. Anytime I'm out running errands, I usually do have a baseball cap on, and I just think this is so cute, and I will definitely be wearing this one a lot. The next item I got was the cargo sweatpants. We ordered it from Finish Line, so it didn't come in a really cute orange box, but we can just pretend
like this is the orange box that everybody got their PR in, and we can just pretend that I am on Beyonce's PR list because I am part of the Beehive, and I have been a Beyonce stan my whole life.
The one thing that's in here is the Ivy Park cargo sweatpants, and I was so excited to receive these. It comes in a little pack like this. And I just, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I just love this color. I guess you could kind of say it's off-white. It's definitely not white, and it's also definitely not brown or anything, but it has a little tint to it. And I think it's just so different. We never usually see anything like that. So that's really, really cool. So I ordered a size small because it did say on the website that everything is pretty oversized, and I figured everything would be okay. But if you could look closely, they just have so many cool details. So here's the pocket details. These snap. And I just think that's something that I think sets this line apart, is all the snaps and the way that you can kind of customize how you want to wear these items. It's a little Ivy Park right here. And then these, and so I'm looking forward to trying these on, and I'll show you guys how it looks on. Unfortunately, I did order the track jacket that goes with like the track pants, or I've seen some people wear it with the cargo sweatpants. We ordered it in I think a small, because like I said, everything was oversized. I think we ordered it from Champs, and they sent it in a large. It was entirely too big. I did end up returning that. Instead, I ordered the t-shirt in the off-white color. It's simple, but it does have the maroon stripes. It has the Ivy Park detailing on the sleeve, and I just think it's cute. It's oversized as well. This would be super cute with like leggings, even jeans, or even just like tucked into the sweatpants. I just think it's super cute, and I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. My style, just everyday style, is very just comfy. I love sweatpants, I love leggings, I love hoodies, I love t-shirts. Anything that's comfy that I could just be relaxed in is usually what I'm wearing when I'm not you know, out doing appearances or working, this line is something that I would definitely be wearing a lot because this is already the type of clothing that I already wear. And that's it for the try on, but now to my thoughts. I really like this collection, and you know what, I'm probably biased because I pretty much like everything that Beyonce puts out, but I just think this is so cool. I know that she came out with some Ivy Park stuff a couple of years ago, but I think this new launch is so revamped and it's so accessible, and I think that it just makes everyone feel cool and feel like, you know, that they're part of Beyonce's movement. So I love this launch. I think Beyonce's style has evolved throughout the years, and this kind of sporty, athletic style is something that I love and Beyonce always looks good in. It doesn't surprise me that she came out with something like this in this style with Adidas. I love the way the items feel. They are very high quality, and I love the colors. I keep on going back to the colors, but the color scheme is what is so different. I mean, it's not just your plain black and gray. I would love to have some more items from this collection. Like, I want to get maybe a pair of these shoes. I would also like to get an item that's either orange or maroon. Since I do have the cargo pants and the shirt in this color, I would like to get another item so I can mix and match. That's another cool thing about this collection, is that you can mix and match. You don't have to wear everything together. So A+ for me, Beyonce. It's Beyonce, so of course it's gonna be the best. Of course it's gonna be quality, because that's all that Beyonce puts out. Y'all, I hope that you all liked this unboxing, try on, haul, and review. This is my first kind of fashiony video, so let me know if you like it. Let me know what else you would like me to make videos on. I'm really enjoying this. Subscribe, like this video, and comment down below with any feedback. And remember, you're flawless. Bye!